Hello, hello, hello. That's better. How's everybody doing? On the video, it's probably just a couple people watching the end of this stream. But it's good to have you. It's good to know you there. Is this music a little loud? I don't know. I have no earthly idea what it's going to turn out like in the end. You guys can tell me later. But let's get into it. Today we're doing cars. Cars, and it'll be interesting because I've never done cars before. But here we go. Okay. Let's get all of the weird stuff out of the way before people join. Cars. Probably not the best name of that script. Probably just car would work. Oh. Again, we're going to need a body. I need to hook this up to the resource manager at some point, but it's easy enough to do in the future, so I'm just going to keep generating these bodies from just code here. Well, it's always from code, but you know what I mean. A body from the class. Got self.body. We got a size. How big is the car gonna be? I don't know, probably 2x4 approximately. We'll just mess around with those values. 2. Physics dynamic. Excuse me. Okay, so app dot physics. Oh, I recognize this song. I like it. Okay. Then we're gonna need an update method. We're gonna need a spawn method. And my typing is no good today. Just gotta loosen up my fingers. Hello, hello. It's good to see you. We're working on cars today. I thought that would be fun. Figured I'd do something a little bit new, but also kind of interesting. I've never done cars before, so this will be fun. How's it going though? That's all right. I just woke up half an hour ago. I woke up at 6 o'clock. My alarm went off and I was like, yeah, that'll be cool. I'm excited because I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but I feel like it'll be cool. What else do we do in the spawn method? I forgot, but I'm just going to skip it. Despawn. No, wait, scene. Space. I forgot a new little system here. Do. Renderer.scene. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. And let's just reference something else because I have. Well, door doesn't have a spawn method. Enemy has a small spawn method. Damn it! I forgot. I also forgot about the GitHub. Sorry. I'll get to it in time. It's just so busy. What had a spawn method? Something had a spawn. You know what? Control Shift F spawn. Like a player, right? I don't understand. Oh, it's the. There we go. Spawn. Where's spawn? Spawn. Nope, that's literally just, and that's not even necessary. Except for maybe the Y. The why is necessary. And what are we doing? Car. What's car? There we go. I'm ditching the stairs for now. I just realized how much, oh my lord, this music is blaring. Why is it that I always have to turn my, okay, so my window view, I always have to turn my volume down to like 6%. Because these headphones are just, I don't know why it pumps so much power into these. Like, I can't imagine what it's like at 100%. Blast your head off. Self.body.position or self.position. No, what am I doing? It's position 1. I'm in a good mood today though. Yesterday was kind of stressful actually, but I'm feeling good today. So what are we doing? Car. And instead of the game manager, we're gonna do it in the level manager, which is a cool, nice little change of pace. Wait. I can't help but think we could just spawn on everything and then just add them all to the list here. App.game manager dot I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna spawn a gosh darn car. So how was your sleep? How was your night? What time is it there now? Like, what you said it was 2 a.m. when it was like 10, right? So is it like 10:45 right now? If I remember right, yeah. Spawn. And that should be good. I just spawn it. If I want to despawn it, then I can despawn it. But I don't need to. So I think I'm good. Let's see. Oh wait, I should do... Oh, yeah. Why is that? Oh my gosh. I didn't turn on my light. Why was your sleep bad? You gotta look at the bright side. What did you like about your nightmare? I'm kidding, I know, yeah, that sucks, but... Positivity has a place. How do I organize this normally? This cord is annoying. Okay. We also need a height and a Y value for our collider. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Collider.y equals 0. Oh, and it doesn't even draw anything, so I don't know what I'm going to see. But it does have a Richter. Good. Oh, I'm sorry. That yeah, I've had that problem before, but maybe you're stressed about something. Are you stressed about something? Because that could be it. Well, I disagree, I think. Well, stop it. I'm terrible at giving advice. Just stop it. Just stop being stressed. Let things be how they be. Okay. Is that a college thing? Why does it not have colliding? Colliding should be a thing. Has no attribute colliding, but it's a dynamic object, and those have colliding. What are we doing here? Computer engineering, that's cool. I obviously support that. Sounds neat. I'm gonna do a simple car. Anytime. Wait, X. Okay. So I'm thinking like a what is that? Cool Runnings sort of vibe. That's what I want for this car. That's actually what I was thinking. I actually drew a little picture. Drew a little picture here of what I wanted it to look like. That was late last night. Yeah, just don't stress too much. You gotta just gotta accept that things are not gonna go terribly. You'll figure it out. Kind of like this stream. Just gotta kind of accept that things are gonna work out. Actually, I do stress about this, but I shouldn't. wishable stops twisting. Oh my gosh. Let's start simple and then I'll do that. How about that? Let's start simple. I'm gonna try to get the car like working first. I like that though. Actually, that would kind of fit into the vibe. Physics. I actually didn't finish the car. It's kind of like one of those what do they call it? Those like frames of planes that just sort of like the ultralight planes. Those are cool. I'm just gonna make the wheels. Oh, maybe I should make the wheels a separate object. I think I'm gonna make the wheels a separate object, so they can like turn and they can rotate as you're turning the car. Let's do that. So this is simple enough for me. It's gonna be way too small. Let's just scale it by 2. If we could. There we are. Yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be easy and cool. I think that'll be neat. Self-thought colliding. I don't know why it doesn't have that. I'm just gonna put it in here. Oh, you know, I'm being silly. Wait here. All I need to do is okay, I definitely need to not do this right now. Or in the initiation method, because I am... Okay. Should I hold off on the black magic here just for a second? I'm totally kidding, I hate that. Yes. You don't understand what? Okay, that's alright. No, I just put it in a method. I'm just calling it from here, and then I'm just gonna overwrite that method when I make the car. Because the car needs a separate collider, but I also want it to have everything that the player does when it comes to like depth. Should be good. Let me just take this. I'm just overwriting this dynamic object method. Wait. Okay. This needs to be cleaned up at some point, but I'm not going to do that right now. Body already added to space. Ooh, and I already have a canvas, and then I already have like a position and rotation. So all I need to do is that. Actually, don't have a rotation here. Whoa, how'd that happen? Oh. Okay, that's interesting. Probably should have a rotation, but I guess it doesn't need it, so we're good. We'll just add a rotation. In the canvas. Hey, no thing. Okay. Alright, body already added to space. What's going on? Who was that? Who did that? Why is it already added to space? Oh, because get collider probably wasn't what I called the method. Spawn collider, yeah. Ooh. Okay, let's spawn it somewhere other than the elevator, or you just move the elevator out of the way. There we go. Get out of here, enemies. Okay. Oh, and there's no, it doesn't do anything in the update method. Can I just skip the update method for this? Wait, no. Okay, that's a little janky. The collision's a little off. Oh, no, it's because the body is a little bit too small. But that's okay. We just need to make them the same size. We need to make the collider the same size. Let's try that. Still too small, and I think it's opposite. So, and I need to apply the rotation as well. Bye. Come on. Let's make this triangulated as well, because that is irritating me. Okay, I think the rotation is backwards, which is a common problem that I seem to be having. There we go. Alright, and I kind of aced the collider here. Oh crap, come on. Isn't this a fun car? Ultimate driving experience. Wait. I'm trying to wreck it into the enemies, but this is getting really fast. Slow down. You're crazy, man. Wait, oh shit. Gotcha. Oh yeah, you didn't notice that yesterday? That's been around for a while. Get out of here. Oh yeah, and you can also change levels. You can load different levels. And you can go through the doors, and the buildings can be rotated and stuff. And I started on a staircase, so you could walk up the staircase. Oh, really? No, I didn't. Well, I textured the doors like 2 days ago. Oh, no, yeah, I did. But the staircase doesn't work, so don't get too excited. Alright. So does the despawn? Not yet. I'll figure out the staircase. Maybe we should, instead of adding the canvas again to the scene, maybe we should remove it when we despawn it. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay. Now I've got an idea. I was expecting a little drop there, but okay. So we need like a get input. So basically we're just gonna treat this like the car or like the player, and then when the player gets in it, it just sort of like passes its inputs off to the car. Is what I'm thinking. I've never done this before, so we're exploring new territory. And then we'll also actually, this seems pretty easy. Let's just go to character. Like, okay. Vehicle. There's none. That's how you says. Yeah, that's the right way to spell vehicle. Okay. And then right now let's just specify the car as a thing. And then do we want the player to have no, I'm going to disable the physics for the player while he's driving. Cool. So I'll do that. Maybe I could spawn the car in the game. No, let's just ignore that for now. I just wanted a reference to it. Let's go to the input manager and just have a button to hop into the car. Not B. Make it Y. Only the upside body moves with the car. I don't know what that means. No, yeah, I'm gonna make the player sit. That'll be easy. We'll just change the animation depending on the state. So if he's in the driving state, then he'll just sit down and it'll put him on top of the car. And then I'll disable the physics for the time being. And then when he gets off, then the physics keep going. Because I'm not going to mess around with a bunch of really accurate colliders and stuff. Like, so you can, like, shoot the player in the car. Okay, so the driving state worked. Now we just need to do something different depending on if I'm driving. Do 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 do. I feel like this should be in the dynamic object because that's pretty universal. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm sorry. But if I'm in the jumping state, I shouldn't have standing. Right? Whoa. that was slippery. Why was that so slippery? Oh my. I'm not even calling the... Yeah, he doesn't have a waist. He has a chest and legs, so that won't really work. There we go. That's working now. And also, car can still move around. When I press Y, I stop falling, but I'm still in the flying state. Oh, sorry. Oh, and you can attack in the car. That'll be cool. That will be an interesting little experiment down here. Waist is a part of body that stays between the legs and chest. Yeah, I don't know what you mean. I was thinking his legs sit out in front of him and he sits up, and then you can just be like standing there with his arms a little bit in front of him, and then if you want to shoot, you like bring up your hands, or you could bring up one hand and shoot from that hand. Do like a plap plap sort of deal, you know? Plap. Else if state equals driving. Yeah. It's really nice. So self dot space and I don't need to update this unless I'm not driving. No physics stuff when we're driving, just the car's physics. The space or Hey, Pluto, how's it going? Man, you guys are cool. I like having you guys here. This is sick. What? Is it you? Do you not have any school anymore for a month? Congratulations. What? Do you take like every other month off? Oh, never mind. You guys are both from Brazil. You guys chat amongst yourselves. Genghis is from Brazil, right? Yeah, you guys are both from Brazil. There was actually one stream that I had 28% Brazil and 33% from the United States. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's exciting. Sorry, I'm interrupting your conversation. He got in the car. Oh. That was actually really surprising that he actually got in that car. Continue, you guys can talk. Sorry I interrupted. He's still in the flying animation, but let's fix that. Yeah, it's because it was tracking my body's position, and actually that might have been why it was so glitchy. It's because it wasn't my actual position. Nah, it's still a little buggy, but that's okay. and crash because vehicle doesn't have a move function. So Pluto, what's up? What are you asking me? Oh, really? Input probably isn't. And what have you learned? Any Python program that would take more than a week. Well, that depends on what you can do in a week. Do you want to do a game? You should do a bot to play a game online. That's fun. Oh, gross. I'm gonna be using the left stick to control the car. That seems shit. I hate that. I should switch up the control scheme a little bit. Web development and app development. What sort of apps? You should make something practical. Okay, now I just need to Was it your car? That's insane, actually. What the fuck? Sorry for swearing. What's wrong with that? Man, people are crazy. Okay, well, the car is moving. Very gradually, and it's slidey as shit. Did you see the car get stolen just now? I guess you were pretty silent for a while. Okay, I need to change this. Jeez. Sorry, you have to deal with that shit. God damn. What an asshole. Yeah, nice. I just leave my car doors unlocked. Oh my god, it worked. So if somebody wants to break a window and find that I only have like a number 2 pencil, they're like, ah, fuck it. And nobody's gonna steal it anyway because it's a piece of shit. So I'm like, it's the broken window isn't worth locking it. Just come in. As long as you don't sleep and poop in my car, I'm good. Don't fucking poop in my car. This is going way smoother than I thought it would. Whoa, I just like launched out of the car. The car is walking. Yeah, and? You're actually doing the flying animation while you're in the car. I need to stop that, and I don't remember where I put the... Yeah, it's, well... No one ever stole or tried to steal anything in my house. Would be how I would say. But I knew what you meant. My girlfriend, her first language is Spanish, and so she has a cute accent. I like it. I'm used to it. Not like. You know, English is weird. Most people, you know, it's fun. Whoa. This is gonna wig the fuck out. Yeah, these inputs are all like adding up. This isn't. Wait, what? Okay, somehow I got the inputs reversed. Most people don't know English, even if they speak. Like, you guys probably speak better English than a lot of people here. Why is this? Oh, because it's local position. I need it based on local position. Or based on world position, sorry. Yeah, learning a language is tough. I mean, it's like anything, you just learn as you go, right? I'm learning Spanish right now. I've been watching Pablo Escobar. It's the only thing I could bear. I hate novellas. I can't stand them. Okay, at World Point. To be, I don't know, seems innocent enough. Impulse. Narcos. Whoa! Stop that. Okay, we're gonna be self dot body dot position. Yeah, we don't teach our kids. We don't teach our kids other languages. We just say you don't need to learn anything else. You live in America. So, I mean, high school, they're like, oh, you can learn another language, and kids are like, oh, that'd be edgy, right? But be like, oh, whoa, they know another language, but then they never follow through. So you gotta do it by yourself. No problem with that, right? I mean, you do. You don't need to know it 4 times, but you do need to know it at some point, right? Is this collider a weird height? It is. Every year. Just be like, just come in and be like, dude, do you know anything else? Can you teach me anything else? If not, I'm out of here. Oh yeah, this is working very nicely. Except sometimes when I get out of it, it just flips the shit out. Like that. I just need to like spawn in beside the car. I don't know what's up with the animation thing that's going on there. But we'll fix that here in a second. And then we'll work on the actual driving, because right now it's garbage. Nice. He's actually sitting down. I just need to make him point in the right direction. Does he still turn with the camera? He's independent of the car's rotation. So. See how that works. Oh, self-dot rotation. Oh. There we go. I mean, objectively, there is no front or back to this car, so I guess this works. And then I'm going to put his arms out. And, well, this car is way too big, isn't it? And also, it's just too long. And it's too tall. Let's do an easy number though, because I don't want to program in. 1.5 will work. Thank you. We'll work on that other car. Maybe in a little bit. Okay. Once we get this all working, we'll do the other car as well. Yuck. It's like a minecart in Roblox. I hate to say that you're right, but you're a little right. Thank you. -3. Okay, so it's 654 now. You gotta respect the process, Pluto. You know how it is. It'll turn out. What is this? 2.5. Do. It'll be alright. Okay, what's up with the collision now? Is the step height like 2? Step height not working? Because I know I changed that. No, it's fine. I don't know why I'm not colliding with that anymore. It's just below the step height. Oh. I don't know why I'm not colliding. I don't collide with it when it's so small. But it shouldn't be that small anyway, so who cares? Not me. Oh, and you can actually aim. Oh, you mean like you can swivel. Okay, so I'm holding down the trigger now and it won't let me shoot anymore. Oh, because it's colliding with the car. See how low we can pull it off. Okay, that's fine. And now we should be able to shoot. Is it okay if you can just shoot forward? Because I feel like a car is pretty OP anyway. I'm gonna make a little seat for him. Just kind of floating off the ground. Well, what happened with that? How's that? Just for a little temporary seat. Okay, that's not how you sit in the seat.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem.
Imagine, if you will,
Local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money
sitting down in the morning in a little Roblox car.
Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
This one new person already using the brand new system is my little dude right now here. Oh, and it even makes room for his jetpack. Sick. Get out of here. It's like bumper cars. Get out of here. Okay, let's make the driving a little bit more interesting because this is rough on the eyes. No good. Okay, so I want to make the driving actually the driving will probably be easier with the keyboard. Wait, I don't actually have it set up so you can. Okay. So I'm not going to rotate it toward the camera angle. And actually this doesn't even need to be normalized because we're not running in a straight line. Then we'll do like 0 or 2 in the X and 0 in the Z.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Okay, wait, I got that backwards. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I didn't get it backwards. Maybe I just had the inputs reversed. Yeah, okay, this needs to be Y. This is really hard with a keyboard. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh, stop. This needs to be reversed. It's more like slowly reversing. Wait, no, input X was fine. Maybe not. Maybe I just need both to be negative. We'll see. Still like steering from the back end of the car. That's ridiculous. This is so weird. Okay. I can't even tell if I'm steering from the back of the car. It's too far forward. Okay, now I'm gonna up the speed as well. You're in a car, you might as well go fast. Okay, and I'm not sure if that was reversed, but I don't remember. That's whatever. Oh my god. The camera needs to follow the angle of the car as well. Okay, we'll move. Or, forgot what I called it. Yeah. Whoa. No, not cool. There we are. Oh my god, that's too much. That is so... That's crazy. Okay. No, the offset on the like steering column or whatever is way too far. Well, there we go. He's on the sensitivity a little bit. The camera's a little jerky. If I like swerve, I can go faster. Get out of here. I think my velocity stays when I get into the car as well. If I like, yeah, it does, but it like gets added. It actually works pretty well with the Xbox controller. It's certainly not what I'm used to, just because it's controlled with the left stick. Maybe we can change that later. And I also need to make it so that when you're near the car, it does it rather than just any time you press Y, you go to the car. Then I'll also apply, what are you talking about? You guys talking about over there? I wanna apply some like sideways friction. I'll calculate that with the velocity function, and I think I'm already accessing that in character. right? Or dynamic object. That'll probably be it. Yeah. Where is it? Velocity function. Let's just overwrite that and then make it cooler, make it a little bit more grippy. I actually have code for that from another game I wrote. I might be able to toss that in there. I'm gonna reference it just because it'll be cooler. Because it worked out really well and it took me so long to like precisely fix all the values. We'll mess with it too. Where are we? Okay, so I've got my script open and idle. Wow, I really went all out. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy all these variables here. Yeah, replace speed with that. Velocity function. Does anybody have a problem with me copying code? Wait, that'll be the move. Then the move. I already have the input vector. Okay. Get here. Okay. Oh. Or I was doing this in a very different way before. And I don't. It was mag. Idle turn factor. Okay. Cell force. I need to turn the turn force way up. And the car is much bigger than what it was in the other game, so. Here we go. Make it much bigger though. The camera's still pretty glitchy. Oh, wait, I got a max speed on here. There we go. That feels good. I'm pretty accurate with that. It's a little abrupt. Yeah. Turning. I've never done a car before, like being able to get in and out of a car. So I'm really happy with how this is working out. You can shoot too. The bullets are going really slow though. Get out of here. They'll come back. Come back. Come back. Back. Do a little role playing. Get kind of emotional here. Hey, how's it going? I don't know why. It just got the fuck out of here. It doesn't like being my pet. I don't know. This really shows off how glitchy the camera can be sometimes, though. I definitely need to like smooth that out. Self-driving cars. Yeah. Rolling away uncontrollably is not considered self-driving, I don't think. Wow, this guy's getting fucked up. Take that. Running won't help you. Wow, that's crazy from a distance. Okay, let's make it so that it actually checks to see if the car is near me before I can get in. I think the driving is okay enough for now. I'll definitely fix it because sometimes you can like just spin around in circles. But right now it's cool. Oh, bye. That needs to be fixed though. What's up with what? Oh, self.excel. I'm actually gonna put wheels on it. Wait, we're gonna put wheels on it. Yeah, we're gonna make the wheels rotate and stuff. We're gonna wheels rotate sort of like that. That'll work. Yeah. So we need to save this turn value. The tank tracks is a no-go, unfortunately, because of the wheels. We'll just say it's like four-wheel steering. Oh, let's just fix it. Let's just fix the weird car stuff. So we need some wheels on this thing. We haven't made a wheel model yet, have we? And the music never came back. Oh, here we are. .25. That'll work. Then we'll rotate it. and good enough for me at the moment. And we're gonna draw some wheels. So yeah, it's a good enough wheel. So self.app. Whoa. So these will be the rear wheels, and then we'll have the front wheels as well. But let's try this for now. See what that looks like. Oh my gosh. They're tiny. I didn't think they'd be that tiny. Okay, let's fix that. Maybe 3 times 2.5. Say 2.5. They're definitely not in the right place, but I was willing to accept that that was a probability. The this is looking good though, the 2 right here. Just need to offset the X a little bit more. There we go. That's kind of, I mean, those are front wheels, but and then obviously it needs to be raised off the ground a bit. So let's just raise the whole thing off the ground. Let's raise the model off the ground. Yeah, here. So I'm gonna open up Mr. Car here. How's the music volume for you guys, by the way? Are we all good on that front? No, wait, he's sitting correctly into the car, so let's just do it by translation in Python. Here we go, that looks better. He's sitting a little low. But we can fix that. In the update method, where are we? There we go. That camera is super jumpy. I don't know what that's about. We'll fix that here in a second. And we also, I'd rather control this with the triggers. That's obnoxious. Okay, let's add the wheels. The front wheels. So these are going to be the back wheels. All we need to do is just and then rotate the wheels afterward around the y-axis. There we go. Front right wheel rot. That's a terrible. How about that? And let's see how that works out, and then we will start rotating the front wheels. I think it worked all right. And I think I know why the car drives off into infinity when you get off of it. It's just because we need to set the car's acceleration to nothing when we get off of it. Or set state. And then we'll say self-taught. Whoa, that is too much. I don't know what turn is, but 45 degrees is too much. Okay, that actually is not bad. Just set it to be negative. Looks a little janky. The camera, you can't really like tell that it's turning. That camera needs to be smooth. It is the camera, isn't it? It's not the player, right? It's definitely the camera. And I need to fix that like spinning crap that the car does. That's annoying. But now it doesn't accelerate. It doesn't just like go off into infinity when you get out of it, which is cool. It's coming along nicely. guys think? Car's pretty sweet. I think I need to increase the Y position, or the height of the collider on the car. To compensate for that little adjustment we made to the height. There you go. How does this look? Still into it? This camera needs to be fixed. It's so terrible. I can't deal with that any longer. Let's just confirm that it is the camera. Come on. Oh, because the target position wasn't. Oy. Oy, oh my god, stop. Wait, if I just hook the camera directly up to the player, it'll be just as glitchy as the player is. So we'll be able to tell. Oh my god. No, it's not the camera that's not smooth, it's the player. I think we just need to make physics objects like lerp towards where they're supposed to be rather than just setting it. There we go. That's a little smoother, right? And then set the camera back to what it was before. Wait, how did I change the camera? Oh yeah. That's a little smoother. It's still kind of jerky. The player's still, I don't know why it's so jerky. I don't think it's lag. It's not lag. We've got, this is lurking as well. Yeah, that is way too slow. That's a weird effect. The player's definitely smoother. Cars should be as well. I don't know why that takes so much just to put the objects in place. We should do something, I guess, about how the physics runs, or I don't know. It's not lag though. I can guarantee it's not lag. We can spawn less stuff. Oh, we already have a level that doesn't spawn anything. Really? I thought that I could do that. How did that work for so long? Adding multiple canvases in one line, but that's... Or multiple meshes at one time to the canvas. I thought I could do that, but apparently that's fine. It's whatever. Wait, how did the car work in the first place? Does it run better when we're in the scene with nothing in it? No, it doesn't, so it's not lag. It's kind of fun to drive it though. It should be faster. Let's mess with the values on the car. That is so jerky. The body's not that jerky. And I think it's running at like 80 FPS. That's what it said before. I'm gonna stop trying to eliminate it. I'm just gonna go to 0. That doesn't even affect anything. Alright. Can the car spawn on top of a building? I think it can. It should work just fine. Right, let's do that. Let's test that. Where the level manager, where's that? $30. Yeah, it doesn't have a gravity yet. Okay, good. At least it's supposed to be falling. Oh, it's on top of a platform right now. Oh no, it's not. It's supposed to be falling. I think the graphics might just not be synced with the Y position. Yeah. No, wait. Tilted standing is not true. Wait, no. Oh, I'm already checking for that. Oh, it's not syncing the Y position. Hey, nice to see you again. It's going very well, actually. Morning's pretty chill. We're making a car, but right now I'm trying to make it fall. it drives around perfectly fine. It just needs to fall. I need to make gravity work. Oh, wait, it doesn't have a velocity. The velocity is never increasing. That's weird. Okay. It is awesome. It's working pretty well. Oh, there we go. Now the gravity works. Oh my gosh. It works. This is our car right now. Yeah, it's working pretty well. I kind of want to make it more drifty. It's other than the fact that it's just it's a little bit buggy. It's weird. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, so it seems to be working pretty well. I think I'm just gonna take these staircases out. Not permanently, just like they just look like crap. I'm not even spawning them with map data. I'm spawning with the buildings. Get out of here. Oh, shit. It's working pretty well. My jetpack stays when I'm in the car. What have you guys been up to? I just need to figure out this. I hate how it turns so fast. Like when you're going backwards, especially. Respectable. What time is it there? Oh yeah, we are coming up on the time that around 9 o'clock people seem to join in. Which is a shame, because I gotta get ready for work at 10. Wait, what was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? Anybody remember? Oh yeah, I wanted to make, like, because right now if you press Y, you're like in the car. I want to make it so it checks the distance at least. Yikes. It was quite a schedule you got. let's what were we gonna do? Oh yeah. There's a character. I want character. I work at a produce stand. I stock shelves. I check people out, not like in a sexual way, just in a, like a purchase something kind of way. Just gonna clarify that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Move boxes around and stuff. Nothing exciting. Sometimes I get free fruit, free old fruit. I do not do software engineering. This is purely in my free time. Be nice to, but that is not my reality right now. So we need to, instead of setting the vehicle in the input manager, which is ridiculous, let's iterate over every object in the scene. That's less ridiculous. What do I work with? I work with tomatoes. I work with jalapenos. I go like, tomato, are you good? You're good. You get to pass. Then other tomatoes, they just explode in your hand. No, I work at a produce stand. 4-0 and so done. I should add all the vehicles to a list. I can't do this. I can't iterate all the, I can't in good conscience iterate over all of the objects in the scene. Let's just make a vehicle list. Do I even have the remove objects anymore? No, I don't. Let's just get that out of the way. I work, no, I live in Washington State. Seattle area. Vehicles. I'll just add that when I spawn it. Please don't try to figure out where I live. That's kind of a fear of mine. Not that you guys aren't cool, but other people might be not so cool. I don't think I'm gonna have any death threats anytime soon. The internet is a crazy place though. We've got player or character. Where are we? Are we in? That is interesting. I actually didn't even graduate high school. Well, that'll definitely smudge thing. You didn't either. Well, never mind then. Self-belief. What do you work as? That's pretty cool. I actually, you know what? I might take you up on that. And actually, did you offer to set up a Discord? Because I might take you up on that as well. I have no time. Well, now I have no time. Now that I'm doing this, I have no time. Should I do that on the show? I'll do that like in the last 20 minutes. How about that? That is disgusting. Oh my gosh. I just looked over and on my bed I've got a barat, part of a barat. It just looks I looked over and it just looks like a big stinky turd sitting on my bed. That is so gross. I mean, it tastes delicious, but it just looks horrible. What's happening? Nothing. You guys just heard big stinky turd and you assume that something special's happening? That's weird to me. Let's get in touch, Guy Ross. I'm interested. Thank you very much for the interest. Oh yeah, it doesn't even matter. Non-sequence, because I'm iterating over the game manager. That is something that a silly person would do. And I am nothing if not silly. Okay, so that's kind of working, but now I need to test the distance instead of just saying if true. And I think I have a little function for that. Or I don't, and I should. Distance between. Let's do that. Let's do that. That'll work. That's pretty broad. Doubt that's terribly efficient, but it'll work. Let's use square distance because we're just doing a linear function here. Position dot x, y, z, and equal is less than. You missed the wheel part? Where have you been? Who was playing Dark Souls? I thought that was Pluto. Okay, so now it doesn't do anything if I'm not close enough to the car, so let's get close enough to the car now that I've spawned it out in the middle of nowhere. There we go. Beautiful. You guys are a couple of cards. Oh no, I just said that. That's a Game Grumps thing. Where's that from? I don't want to be a poser. I'll credit people. Wait. Now I'm pressing Y. I'm trying to get into the car. I'm trying to get into the car. Where's the limit on this? Well, that's good. Well, that's good. That's nice. So now I can have multiple cars and I can get in and out of all of my multiple cars. Level manager. Oh, sweet. If I knew how to check DM, I would be right on that right now. I will, however, fumble with that later. Thank you, though. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Both of them are fine. Making rice or cooking rice? I think making rice is a more normal thing to say. Where are we? Level manager. Let's drop in another car. And actually, wait, that doesn't make any sense that we would do that anymore. Obsolete. And I'm overriding the name. That's not a good idea either. Yeah, cooking rice is like, what else do you do with rice? Do you eat it? You just put some salt on it? But making rice is like, oh, okay, you're making cooked rice. Cool. I don't know. Or you just say shoe rice, and people know what you mean by that? Oh my lord, this is a mess. What is that pile of... Okay, we got a pile of cars here. You can drive them. That's cool. We couldn't do that before. That's pretty neat. I like that. And you can also shoot from them. We could work on the shooting and the camera a little bit while you're driving. And also maybe make the current vehicle that you're in not collide with the bullets, because that, well, no, I want to avoid making certain bullets your bullets and certain bullets somebody else's bullets. I don't want to separate them by like who shot the bullets. These enemies need to be spawned elsewhere. I can't stand that anymore. That is annoying. Got the levels. How's everybody doing? We got 9 people here. Let's do some talking. I'm interested in what you guys are working on. What are you guys doing? Why are you here? Are you interested in game design, or are you just interested in my personality, my winning personality? Or just watching people getting pushed out of a door? Everybody like that? That's cool, right? That's fun. I just push. You know what we should do? Now that we can do cars, let's do like a helicopter. You want to just go crazy with this? feel like that could be really fun. Because we've just got like a vague vehicle class. We could easily do a helicopter. That would be freaking neat. If I ever knew anything that was neat. We want a helicopter. I want a helicopter too. Let's do a freaking helicopter. That'll be sweet. We gotta do a little modification to the banana. I had some ideas for your banana packs. I know. Do you plan on making a proper story? In the next week? Oh, in the last week of July? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this story. Okay. Let's make a helicopter. Ooh, how are you gonna control the how are you gonna control the vertical movement? That's my concern. How's that gonna happen? I'm just gonna start off by making the making it the exact same thing, and then we'll just mess with stuff until it turns into a helicopter. So maybe we should oh, and I want to make the input manager, so that'll help. So we've got an input axis, right, for moving the player. We've also got the right trigger for shooting bullets. Maybe we should just route that as well into the vehicle. So we'll have like the trigger controls into the vehicle so that you've got guns on vehicles too, instead of just shooting your arms out of the vehicles. So before we do helicopters, I'm going to switch the controls on the vehicle to support the triggers, and then we'll move from there, so that you can have like the triggers in the helicopter be I guess the vertical and the vertical control. So we also need the left trigger. Right now we're kind of phasing out the mouse and keyboard. What is the left trigger though? I'm assuming it's 6, but I could very well be wrong. Oh, we want the API. Okay, never mind, we got it anyway. Okay, we got, what, 9? No, that's not true. Okay, apparently it's 2. That's a funky order we got there, but I'll roll with it. Where's our player? Come on, player. So let's say if all right, sweet. I'll check out your actually before you go. I'll just check out your link that you sent me. All right, I got your username. Cool, we're good. I'll hook up with you on I don't know how you say that. I'm not gonna hook up with you. I'm gonna find you on Discord. See you, man. Nice to have you here. You want to be found? You know what, actually,
Eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks.
did you put rice vinegar on it? That's not gonna actually do anything. I'm just checking to see if there's errors. Nope, we're good. Now we don't even have to do anything. We don't have to send an input vector.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts to 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind. Correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 in 53.
Let's ignore that as well.
For the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the
Right.
possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snow. Now, what will happen? Each time that you see the frontal system on there, that begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it.
Yeah. Let's just say forward and reverse. Because the acceleration is like the sum of them. That's a little nicer. And then that will translate this.
And a few pockets of low pressure and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portions of Montana down to western sections of Nevada. And of course the massive high picking up warm moist air from the south, bringing it northward. So when the
massive high.
we are looking for some precipitation, and we'll talk about that.
And then we can use the triggers for other things, even if we're not in a car. Boy. Wait, no, we only accept delta time now. But we need a turn. We need a turn function here. So I guess that would be the x-axis. Maybe we'll just set that. That's fine to set in the up or the move method. Let's still send the input vector. Got to car. But we're just gonna say self.turn equals input vector 0. So right now everything works the same except for I forgot to send the input vector again. Let's make character. Is it just player? I thought, okay. I should move that to character. Maybe not. Doesn't really matter. Enemies won't be driving anytime soon. Where are my... Why are the cars floating? Well, now they're not floating. I don't know what's different now. Oh, nice. Now you use the triggers to turn. That is so much better, but they're reversed, so I need to switch that. Oh my lord. Oh my gosh, I'm not showing you my game. People, pay attention. Pay attention more than I am. Oh shit, I need to reverse the... I'm not blaming you. See how often that happens, though? You guys are cool. You guys are innocent. There we go. Wow, these are all just hung up on stuff. Yes, it uses the triggers. Okay, helicopter time. Helicopter time seems like it'll be in the near future here. Awesome. Okay. Helicopter time. Thank you for reminding me. I was gonna say, remind me if I'm muted. Remind me that I'm muted because I'm gonna take a bite of my big stinky brat. What was I gonna look up? I was gonna look something up. Oh, I was gonna change the name of my stream. We're doing helicopter stuff now. We're not content with the cars. You might hear some people. I don't know if I'm muted or if I'm not muted. Okay, we're good. Okay, now I'm muted. Cool. Cars. We're not doing cars. It's day 5. Okay, that'll update at some point. And we're gonna look at a picture of a helicopter. Whoa. Not a helicopter. That is a song called Helicopter. Thank you, Jingus. I was like, I don't know why it's a video. I don't know why you had to send me a video. But okay. I'm gonna have like 3 seconds of my video, like, oh, this was muted for using claimed audio. Okay, helicopter car. Let's get it done before 10. Now, okay, so these are going to be just a tad different because we'll be able to control their vertical velocity. That'll be neato. Neato. And then we'll do some different like friction on the ground when they're landed. What are we doing? Spawning them. We're spawning helicopters. Did I not change the class name? I didn't. I'll do that. Oh my god. Slow down. We're out of control. Stop. What's going on here? Oh. Okay. So by default, they're like on. I know, it's gonna be a car for a little bit until I get a helicopter model. Wait. By default, oh my gosh. Wait, is this a car or is it a helicopter? What's going on? I can't tell because they're the same exact model. I thought they were all helicopters. Up minus self, that's down. Oh, no, not Excel. This should be acceleration. Need some fuel here. Get up to my helicopter. There we go. I can move around. It doesn't control like a helicopter, but I can move up and down. And I can. That actually kind of works. It's a flying car. And you can drive it, but then you can take off. When it hits the ground, I don't think it resets its Y velocity though. Set standing. Yeah, I think its Y velocity is just pressing it to the ground. I don't know why I ever... Oh, because it doesn't matter what your Y velocity is when you're in the standing state, but it does for a helicopter. Okay, wait, let's go over back to them. Oh shit. I'm just gonna reload it. Whoa, that door messed up. Okay, the helicopters aren't being added to... Something's wrong with that, but I'm gonna ignore that for now. It's kind of working now, so. So what happens when I land on another platform? Still like got a step height, that's kind of funny. Okay, it seems like it's fine. I'm gonna try to get like a lot of downward velocity on the platform and then see if it maintains it. Nope, we're good. Oh, actually I wanted to test on the ground as well. For some reason, when I hit the ground, it stops wanting to Alright, we're good. Oh. Wait, that doesn't even need to. Let's just ignore that. No, it seems it's fine. I'm using Kivy as well, Python and Kivy. It I don't know, it runs fine. Plus, you can do a lot of efficiency sort of things. Like we're gonna do some batching later of the levels. Once we get more complicated levels, we'll do we'll make it so the level loads in parts, like in sections at a time. There we go. These are obnoxious to control. But yeah, I don't know why. So I've confirmed, it does seem like the car is moving, like jittering. I've confirmed that that is not a frame rate problem. I'm getting 80 frames per second. That is a me problem. So yeah, Python's awesome. Python works great. There's like nothing unnecessary going on. Like we made the engine from scratch. If you were using like a general purpose engine, maybe you'd have some problems, but yeah, I know a lot of people do mods with Lua. I've never programmed in Lua, but I'm good. I know Python well. To be honest, I kind of just want to do that right now. Thought about learning learning another language, but I haven't really had any performance problems with Python, so. What else did I want to do? I want to add some like sweet rotors to the helicopters and an actual model. Let's do an actual model for the helicopter instead of this silliness. We'll have to do a little bit more interesting. I agree. I agree. Wait, where's the center of my car? Oh, it doesn't really matter because in the object loader just ignores that. Wait. What do you do? Which languages do you program in? Which languages do you excel at? I don't know why I said it that way, but you know what I mean. Here. Okay. This is not supposed to be a good-looking helicopter. We'll add like a little interior rotor here. Roblox. I've never actually played Roblox. People say this looks like Roblox. I say it just looks like I'm a lazy artist. But I'm cool with that. Oh my lord, this is awful. Oh no. Okay. Continuing on. Let's go. Let's do the face here. Okay. Is Roblox something that you can make games in? That's pretty cool. Oh, wait here. This is ridiculous. Wait, I'm gonna mirror this. I can't do all this twice. I don't have the patience. That's a stupid way to do it, so I'm just gonna skip that. Nice. That's pretty cool. I'm not terribly concerned with publishing this, to be completely honest. There we go. What is my I'm not gonna answer that. That seems like a loaded question. So that's an odd request. Right. All right, I'm gonna do a little. Wait. Oh, actually, that would work. I don't know, dude. I'm just here to program. Maybe party. Yeah. Oh shit, wait. I'm just gonna move this for DC Gamer. That actually doesn't look terrible. The inside looks terrible. This part doesn't actually look terrible though. What in... Okay, this needs to stop. I don't know what I'm doing to this mesh, but that is craziness. It's not what I meant to do. I'm just gonna triangulation there. Oh, this is a mess. Wait, here. How's this look for a temporary helicopter? I think it needs to be thinner. There we go. Yeah, it is an insane helicopter. Insane is a good word. That is weird. Yeah, they'll come with time. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna apply our little modifier here. Whoa. How about that? It's weird, right? It's kind of futuristic. The lines make it look a little cooler. Okay, now we'll add the propellers. Let's just save this first though. You liked it before, without the bevel? Hey, what's up? I know, I reached 400 views before this started. How many views do we have now? Probably like 460. No, that's not true. Probably like 430. 450. Yeah, 430. Yeah, today's I found, I think people join more when I'm streaming in the middle of the day, starting at around 9 o'clock. Wait, whoa, what happened? Okay. I think you're right. Shit, wait. Yeah, I don't talk unless somebody's talking to me. Should I talk more? Alright, fine. Maybe I'm just a guy that plays video games. -5. I don't know what to talk about. What should I talk about by myself? Sometimes I'm like, hey, guys, want to talk? Nobody fucking says anything. Well, I don't want to like commentate, like extrude out, do out, do thing out. Know what I mean? Because that's what I would say. Say what I'm thinking. Okay, I appreciate the advice. I'll say what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I need to make these blades a little bit more funky. And make them like have a little bit of a funk. For viewers. It's working. 1 is fine. Shit, what did I put that as? Approximated. Let's just approximate again. And I need to line this bugger up. Why are you leaving? Don't leave. We want, and please also don't kill me. Don't come to my place of work and murder me. I don't know what you look like, so that would be really terrifying. Be like, if I knew what you looked like, it might be a little better just because I know I'm gonna die. But if you just show up. Is this what you meant by talking? My deepest, darkest fears. Oh wait. Right now we're making helicopter blades for anybody new that's coming in and hasn't seen what we're doing. I'm gonna make some blades. And I'm thinking they're gonna work out nicely. Right when I put this mirror modifier on here. That looks insane, but I'm not going for perfection, so. How's everybody doing? That's a little better. They need to be much smaller. That's insane. Nutso. Yeah. Just gonna try to make him not look just absolutely ridiculous and then move on. Because right now they look absolutely ridiculous. They're too big. Oh, I'm just gonna limit it, dissolve, boom, everything's done. And then these are a little boring. We'll line them up with the grid spin, or they're a little off. I think the other ones are fine. Just snap them there, and I think we're good. Some helicopter blades. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Orthographic looks terrible, but this doesn't look too bad. They don't just like center it and then scale it and everything other than the Z. Oh, nice. Nice. That looks kind of interesting. Let's keep it at that. You want it more thin than this? There we go. There's some razors. I like the little decline too. You're never gonna see that, but. And then this needs to be switched a little bit. How about that? That looks kind of cool. Need to be smaller. Some helicopter blades. I see that this would never work. It doesn't have the realism. It would just sort of flutter around, but I'm happy with what we've got. So let's just export. Yeah. Propellers actually might be. Propellers. Kind of like Wingardium Leviosa. And then the helicopter flies. Wait, triangulate would be a smart decision before we export. And we plop it on our helicopter. I already got the rotating done. We haven't actually seen if this works. This is gonna be weird. Oh my gosh. That is so... Oh, they haven't, the bevels weren't, oh my gosh, wait, that's not even... They're not rotating. Why aren't they rotating? This helicopter is way too small. Oh my god. Let's also have like an offset, like a seat offset for all the vehicles. Let's say 0 for the helicopter, but the car needs to be, what did we say, 1.5? And then we'll take that into account for the animation. Go back to character and we'll put that alphabetical, pretty easy to find. Where are we doing? We got animation right here. Vehicle position. Done. Let's get back to helicopter, and I think we need to scale that model up just a teensy bit. Just a little bit though. It's not going to be a huge amount, because we also were moving our character up by like 1.5, so I think they'll be fine. They need to spawn on the ground. Let's not spawn them in the air. That's ridiculous. Spawn it right on top of us. Where is it? Come on. Oh. There we go. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It's the camera's way too close. We can move that back, and also, I mean, the helicopter is perfect though. It's a nice size. And the rotors aren't spinning though, so we need to fix that. I thought I was. Not sure if it's actually calling this update method. It is. It's calling it every frame, which is, well, no, that's ideal. We need that, but speed should be changing. Yeah, so it's just incredibly slow. That might be way too fast. Oh wait, no, that is definitely way too fast. Oh, prop rotate, no. Holy moly, prop rotation at angle. Oh no, I was right. There we go. It stops completely when you stop, but and it is terribly unresponsive, but we'll work on that. It needs like a default speed though. The camera needs to back off. Let's when we get in a car, let's just back the camera off. Let's go into the player, and that'll help. That'll help a lot with the driving. Or character, I guess, would be No, I'm just gonna overwrite the set state method, and then if I'm driving, then I'll back off the camera. If I'm not, then I'll just bring it back in. Renderer dot cam offset. The offset. Oh, there is none. Wait, I forgot to assign that to a variable. I think it was just because I never thought I'd change it, but now we will. Offset. Or I could increase the FOV, that would work too. Maybe I should do both. That'd be kind of a cool effect. Dot Z equals, let's say -10. And then else, just set it back to -6 like it was. I'm speaking. Thank you. I know. We never called the superclass update method, so let's. There we go. Now that'll only set the camera when the player gets into a helicopter, not like an enemy or something. However, I don't know how often an enemy is going to get into a helicopter. That seems like something that would be down the line a bit. His legs are sticking to the bottom. But I think the offset in the camera is working. It's still a little bit low. I think we raised it at some point, right? No, okay, we need to set this as well. So this is only when you're walking, we'll set it to that height. If you're not walking, then we'll set the camera to a little bit higher, because then we're gonna send it on the vehicle. We want to center it. So let's do maybe 7 plus the vehicle seat offset. Seat offset. Boom. That'll be nice. Yeah, raise it up. And the camera's still pretty slow. This helicopter is fast as shit. Wait, the seat offset needs to be more as well, because I noticed that it was a little bit off the ground anyway. But that's cool, because now we'll have places for those little, yeah, the helicopter's crazy fast. It needs some like dampening as well, because it needs a maximum Y velocity. Let's do that. Let's do that really fast, because it's really uncontrollable. Let's just say Y velocity equals like, I don't know, 10. I don't know what that translates to. We'll adjust it. Let's just normalize it down to the maximum Y. I don't want to do any funky math, so I'm just going to compare it to 0. So now we've got a maximum Y velocity. We need some like better camera controls. Like slower in the, yeah, it definitely needs to be slower. I haven't tried jumping out of the helicopter while it's flying. Hey, what's up, Pocket Man? You've been here before, haven't you? I've seen you here before. We've got helicopters now. Isn't that sick? Wait, it doesn't fall. It shouldn't fall. Is it gonna fall? I don't know if it's gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. It's just gonna sit there. It still seemed pretty fast, to be honest. Maybe not. Let's just call it good. We're coming up on 10 o'clock. Thank you. I think I didn't triangulate it, or maybe I need more camera offset. I think I'm gonna do more of the camera offset. It does, I mean, it's all right. Textures. Yeah, okay. I wish I could like automatically UV unwrap it. No, I can't do that right now. That's gotta be tomorrow. I need to triangulate all that stuff. That's what makes some of it looks horrible. But that'll be a pretty painless process. What could I do right now in -1 minutes? I can't do banana. I'm not gonna do banana. I might do banana packs. All right, I might. Don't get too excited. This helicopter feels good. The only thing I would say is that maybe do a little rotation along the y-axis or along the x-axis. Just to rotate, just to make it feel a little bit more like sway. And then we'll do like, what was an x-axis rotation is pitch. And then rotate 0. What do you think, Genghis? And then we've got the self dot pitch equal dot angle. And we'll smooth that eventually. It's gonna look like shit, but wait, it's not even doing anything. I might need to do it before. Let's get this done fast. So I need to be at work in like 45 minutes. Pitch.angle is forward being recorded. Excel. I do. Oh my gosh. No, that's terrible. Oh my gosh. I need to eat in less than 45 minutes. That's what I need to do. I'm not a programmer full time. I work at a fruit stand. I don't know why that's X or that's going to be Z axis, but we'll roll with it for the time being. Yeah, there we go. We'll smooth that out eventually, but right now it looks all right. So like it'll be gradual, and then we can also do like a roll as well. But you guys, I need to go. This was a very good day. We got a lot of shit done. We got helicopters, we got cars, we got it's looking good. I think we're going somewhere with this. We need to texture the helicopter this afternoon, 6:30 Pacific Standard Time. That's when I get back on. I'm gonna do a little skydive for you guys right before we go. Woo! Fucking badass. I love this. This is actually really cool. Wait, our bullets aren't working. Shit. Okay, well, I can't. I know exactly why the bullets aren't working, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Wait, else. Self-dot start attack. Because I changed it to route the controls to the vehicle. But if anybody's in here that isn't following me, if you're interested in this project or just hanging out, I stream all the time. You can come watch me. I'll make my times clear. Oh my god, you can stand on it too. I didn't even think about that. That's fucking sweet. I need to make the propellers something that's like covered so that it makes sense to stand on it. That'll be neat. That'll be really cool. Yeah. Drop me a follow. I do. Dude, I've been on like how many hours? It said I got over 25 in the last 30 days. That's 4 days. So I mean, obviously all the time enough to be busy. I would go crazy if I was doing this 24 hours a day. But I do have people watching me. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed watching me this morning or hanging out, helping me with the janky ass shit that we were working through. I really enjoyed having you guys here. I would probably have banana packs. I hope I can quit my job at some point. We're gonna we're gonna work on some other stuff this afternoon. Maybe we'll continue with the helicopters. They need a little bit yeah, I can work with bananas too. I'll make a banana pack. I'll send you guys a picture of a banana pack. You guys take care. How do you like that smooth audio transition? Wink, wink.